The 2026 Mercedes-Benz C-Class represents the latest evolution in the brand's commitment to luxury, performance, and advanced technology. With refined aesthetics, cutting-edge features, and improved driving dynamics, this compact executive sedan continues to solidify its place as a benchmark in its segment. The 2026 model year brings subtle design updates that maintain the classic Mercedes silhouette while enhancing its modern appeal. The front grille is slightly revised for a sharper look, flanked by slimmer LED headlights that integrate seamlessly into the bodywork. The rear end also features updated taillights and a reworked bumper, giving the vehicle a more athletic stance. Overall, the C-Class carries a confident yet elegant presence that appeals to both luxury and performance enthusiasts. Under the hood, the 2026 C-Class continues with its lineup of four-cylinder turbocharged engines, most notably the 2.0-liter mild hybrid setup. This engine produces around 255 horsepower and is paired with a 48-volt electrical system that enhances fuel efficiency and delivers smoother acceleration. A 9-speed automatic transmission is standard across the range, offering crisp and responsive gear changes. The C300 variant remains the volume seller and is available in both rear-wheel and 4MATIC all-wheel drive configurations. Mercedes has also improved the chassis and suspension tuning to provide a more balanced ride, ensuring better cornering ability without compromising comfort. For those seeking more power, the AMG-tuned versions are expected to return with even greater performance enhancements. Inside, the cabin of the 2026 C-Class is nothing short of luxurious. Mercedes continues to elevate the interior with high-quality materials, including soft-touch surfaces, genuine wood trim, and available leather upholstery. The centerpiece of the dashboard is an 11.9-inch portrait-style touchscreen that runs the latest MBUX infotainment system. This system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice command functionality, and over-the-air software updates. The digital instrument cluster, now a standard 12.3-inch display, offers customizable layouts that reflect the driver's preferences and drive mode selections. Ambient lighting with 64 color options adds to the immersive experience, while features like a panoramic sunroof and Burmester premium sound system further enhance the sense of luxury. In terms of comfort and space, the C-Class remains competitive. The front seats offer excellent support for long journeys, with available heating, ventilation, and memory functions. Rear seat space is adequate for most adults, although taller passengers may find legroom slightly limited. The trunk provides decent cargo space for a compact luxury sedan, making it practical for daily use and weekend getaways. Mercedes has also improved noise insulation in the 2026 model, resulting in a quieter and more refined driving experience. Safety remains a strong focus for Mercedes-Benz, and the 2026 C-Class is equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems. Standard features include automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Optional packages add more advanced technologies like augmented reality navigation, a head-up display, and a semi-autonomous driving mode that can assist with highway driving under certain conditions. These systems work together to provide a safer, more confident driving experience. Overall, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz C-Class delivers a sophisticated blend of style, performance, and innovation. It appeals to buyers who want a premium driving experience without stepping into a larger and more expensive model. Whether you are drawn to its sleek design, comfortable interior, or advanced tech, the C-Class continues to be a compelling choice in the compact luxury sedan market. With its ongoing refinements and attention to detail, the 2026 model shows that Mercedes-Benz is committed to staying at the forefront of automotive excellence.